Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, so the reason why we promote the $25 business in particular is because it's affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income, which is absolutely fantastic, and highs on her, and it's recurring, so you get paid every single month. That's what that means. So if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, what we're going to do is look at our results here, and it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Not a big deal, but we're going to refresh the page to make sure you guys see this and y'all understand that this is money that is going to my bank account. These are not fake numbers or any way, shape, or form. I want to show you guys fake numbers. I have absolute confidence in this number growing. Okay. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is not a big deal. I have absolute confidence of this number growing to crazy levels like it did before, and because it's worked before, so it will work again. You know, that's just how it works. Once you find something that works, stick to it. Just stick to it. All right, so anyway guys, first we need to get your links. This is the link that I use here. It's the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. That's the one I use personally. You can use any link that you want, but let's get you your links first. All right guys, so if you own my video and you watching this video right now, there's going to be some links in the description. The first link is going to say something like incomespeech.com, or you can type it out if you want to. It don't matter. Either way, it's going to take you to this page here. Now this page here is basically the sales letter. All right guys, this is the sales letter to incomespeech.com. Not Income Speech, but $25 business. Okay guys, and it just basically tell you what it is, how much you make, stuff like that, right? And ultimately what the $25 business is, at the end of the day, it's a funnel builder. It's a funnel builder with no real limitations on it. Now if you ever made funnels before, you know that $25 a month with no real limitations is a very good deal. That's like money you spend on like maybe one funnel in a lot of cases, and you can't even get started on like the most popular one, click funnels. You can't even get started on that with $25 a month. I think you gotta spend at least about $100. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's really fantastic product actually. And so guys, what we're gonna do here is show you that you can make this money here. $20 to $100 monthly commissions. That means you can make $120 per month per customer. All right guys, you could make that. That's really insane. So you get a couple of people in here and they stick to it, they stay in it, you're making a lot of money. All right, guys, so this is what we're gonna do. We decide, hey, we want to try this out, so we click on yes, I want in. All right, click on that. This is all the information for you, like, you know, basic stuff here, and you just put that in, boom boom boom, you got it. You got the product, right? All right, one thing that I want to do, guys, show you guys is this product here. Now this is going to be HBA premium, but ultimately what this is like training for traffic or any kind of traffic you want to set up, like something a little more poised or a little bit more tougher to do, instead of like setting up ads, showing you how to do Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever it may be, right? And showing you how to do a podcast, showing you how to do blogs, whatever it may be, to show you how to do all of that stuff. And it's lessons on exactly how to do it, set it up, stuff like that, right? And another cool thing is you use AI to create the content that you need to make, which is absolutely fantastic. That is just great. All right, that's just great. And it'll set up the content you need to make. And yeah man, and one cool thing about it is that you get it for 14 days for free if you use my link. All right guys, and the coolest thing about it is that if you get a sale with this product while it's in there, you keep that $100 even though you haven't paid the $125 for it. All right guys, So that's a fantastic deal to get you running down the street. You know what I mean? And get going. So yeah, you can complete all to get instant access, right? Now the next thing you want to do, now you need a link. Now you need a way to promote the link, is what I meant to say. Sorry about that. I had to think for a second. Brain farts. Sorry. Yeah, now you need a way to promote the link. It's gonna be my second link in my description there. It's gonna take you to a page a little something like this. Now what this page is, this is my lead gen secrets. Now what lead gen secret, what it basically does is that you get 100 leads per day that you can mail once per day. But these leads are very cold leads, all right, guys? These leads are very cold leads, and you gotta warm them up. You start getting sales. And one thing I've noticed in this situation is that certain accounts do better than other accounts. So for example, this right here, you're gonna see this number here. I have all these leads. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about me having a ton of leads and making this work. I'm telling you right now, it don't really matter. What you need, just start posting. And this is my worst performing account out of all of my accounts. That's the reason I'm doing that, is because the chances of you starting this system, I want you guys to make money. If I'm making money with my worst account, you guys definitely would make money. All right. So anyway, we're gonna go down here. We're gonna pick one of these emails that ChatGPT has helped me create. Just gonna pick one. You guys can copy it if you want. That was on. Okay, we on this one. On this one right here. You can just copy that if you want to. I got the email here. And yeah, just copy this email if you want to copy this email. I use ChatGPT to write this email here, guys. Basically right here, use ChatGPT to create a bunch of emails I can use, and it's bite to bite, like bite. I just kept telling it to create another email like it, create another email like it. Create a follow-up email like that, create a follow-up email. You can do stuff like that and really get it going, all right? So anyway, you see this email here, you can copy it, copy the whole thing there, pause the video if you need to, whatever you want to do, right? Yeah, I'm gonna just hit perfect time, and that's gonna send the email around the time people check email. Okay, guys? All right, so we're gonna also click on preview. Now what preview does is let you click on your link and you can see if your link works. If your link works, that's good. It don't work, you won't make money. That's just all there is to it. All right, guys? So we're gonna send the email. Done. That's all it takes, really. That's the whole scenario, and that's all you really need to do to make this money. All you really need to do is just come to my lead gen secrets, send an email. Now I would recommend making content with it, because at the end of the day, making content is the #1 way to make a lot of money online. And so making content is gonna help you boost your morale and get sales and stuff like that. All right. And here's the one and most important thing I want to give you guys before I check out real quick, is consistency. So when you're making content, do not stop making content. Keep making content. You can take breaks, take 2-3 day breaks and stuff like that, but don't stop posting. Don't stop posting, period. I recommend posting every day. Whatever you post on Instagram, TikTok. Now these are my most recommended ones: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Post on all 3 of those. All right, guys. Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Those are the ones you want to focus on. The rest, you can post on them as well. You can post on Facebook, Pinterest if you want to. I wouldn't recommend Pinterest. I don't never see any sales on Pinterest, to be fair. That's just my experience. Pinterest don't really work well, but your experience could be different. Okay, guys? X, I can post on X as well, especially if you pay for the $8 per month. You might as well. But yeah, just keep posting. Don't worry about how good your posts are, or how relevant your posts are, or how clean your videos are. Just keep posting. It doesn't matter. Just say some stuff, fit it up there, post. Say something, fit it up there, post. Whatever it may be, just keep posting. You'll make money, guys. Guaranteed it. If you keep consistent with it. That's how you make money online. That's how you make the big bucks online. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.